Did you know yoga can contribute to cardiovascular health? This ancient physical and spiritual discipline is not just about flexibility and tranquility, it's also a powerful tool for your heart health. Firstly, yoga is a fantastic preventive measure against heart disease. It addresses common risk factors such as obesity, poor diet, and physical inactivity. Regular yoga practice has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and aid in weight management, all of which are crucial to maintaining a healthy heart. But how does yoga stack up against more traditional aerobic exercises? The answer might surprise you. Studies have found that regular yoga practice can yield improvements in heart health metrics that are comparable to those seen in individuals who engage in regular aerobic activities. That's right. The gentle, meditative practice of yoga can be just as effective as a heart-pumping run or aerobics class. The key, it seems, lies in the frequency and duration of yoga practice. The more you practice, the greater the benefits. Practicing yoga several times a week or daily can yield significantly greater improvements in heart health compared to weekly sessions. Interestingly, yoga can also play a role in managing atrial fibrillation, a condition characterized by irregular heart rhythms. Regular yoga sessions have been shown to reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and improve heart rhythm in patients with this condition. And let's not forget about the powerful impact of transcendental meditation, a form of yoga meditation. Research suggests that this practice can lower the risk of cardiovascular death in patients with heart problems, providing an alternative or complementary approach to medical treatments. When it comes to weight management, yoga also has a role to play. While it may not burn as many calories as aerobic exercises, yoga promotes healthier food choices through increased body awareness. It enhances the mind-body connection, helping to reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. For those looking to shed some pounds, strenuous yoga styles like Kundalini yoga and Yin yoga are worth exploring. These styles offer a more intense workout, aiding in calorie expenditure and promoting overall fitness. In summary, yoga offers a holistic approach to cardiovascular health, tackling physical activity, stress reduction, and mindful eating. Whether practiced alone or in combination with traditional aerobic exercises, yoga brings significant benefits for heart health and weight management. So why not roll out a yoga mat for your heart health today?